जी आपने अंदर कहा है कि गोवा में वर्किंग करने वाले बीच में क्या कुछ है?
Goa has started a culture which we can say hashtag Workation Goa. Hashtag Workation Goa itself will speak about how you can come here with a high quality of life. You have a backbone of English, high rate of literacy and a good length of people speaking English. So I think that gives you the right turning point to allow any industry to come and invest into the state. Co-working spaces on the beach, especially whether digital nomads or other part of the industry, who can come in and maybe invest or be here and be a part of the co-working spaces or the culture of IT. We are taking it to the next level of going near the beach. Beaches have always been a favorite destination for many people. Allowing someone with a creative mind to come and work on the beach, creating this infrastructure near the beach and ensuring that they are able to work, they are able to surf, they are able to chill out and again come and work. I think that sort of synergy will be one time in the whole country. In the coming season, we propose coming up with co-working spaces along the beach stretch with all the related amenities, which will create a new market for the state in terms of technology.
Thank you.